Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's. Yep. Come on in. Uh, we gonna tell you about the spin 30 save 10. I told you we had to have a little time to check it out, and I know you want to know. So, on your way in, like and share that video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, I bet you want to know too. And I bet you want to know stuff like this every day. So look below and hit that red subscription button. Do it right now. That way you will not forget. Okay? And the notification bell. Now, just so you know, you're helping someone out. Every time you subscribe to a video or to a channel, even if it's not one of your regular fortes, if you subscribe, you're helping that person out. You don't always have to come back and visit. Not on a regular basis if you don't want to, but you just help someone out. So, subscribe. Not just to me, but to anybody that you pop in on. That way, you won't have to find them again. They'll find you, eventually. So, if you don't see me in your notifications every day, come back to the channel and check, because there's going to be something there for you. Something you've already missed or something new. So let's talk about this, everybody. Yes, everybody's curious about the spin 30 save 10. What is the mechanics? Well, first off, it is glitching, of course. Now, we had to figure out how it's glitching. Well, it's glitching because, for one, you don't have to spend $30, okay, out of pocket. You just have to have a $30 purchase. And you can use your store coupons. That's number one. Number two, you don't have to buy all 4 forms of product. You can just spend $30, okay, and still get your 10 off, as well as any additional coupons. Now, I know, biggest question ever, and it was mine too. Is it going to work with the 5 off of 30? I've heard reports that it is not working with the 5 off of 30. Alright, and the reason being, in order to get this to work, you might have to go way over. Because it's going to take off $10 off the top. So if it works like I think it's going to work, you'll have to spend $40. Actually, $45. Yeah, $45. No. $40 hopefully would do it. Because the 10 is going to come off right off the top. You know, 10's going to come off. 5's going to come off, hopefully, because it leaves you $30 after the save 10 comes off. There'll still be $30 left over. Okay? And then hopefully at this point, our regular game transaction will kick in. But I haven't had any reports as of yet, and I have not been able to get to the store to try that big of transaction yet. So, we'll have to wait and see on that part. But we do know what it is doing. So let's give you a couple of scenarios, very quick and easy scenarios, because it's just, you know, it's going to be one of those one and done deals. Maybe 2 of those one and done deals. And what is a one and done deal? That's either 1 to 3 items and your transaction is done. Okay? Big coupons, big items, done transaction. Between 1 and 3 items. Usually 1 to 2 items, but that's why it's going to be today. So let's go see what kind of items that we can use this with. Again, let's talk a little bit about mechanics. I want you to look. This is the $19 gain pods that I have this on. And what is coming up that's attaching to this is a $1.55 coupon that I've already got clipped. And we have a $4 coupon. Now, if you're in the same position, if you try to purchase this, that $1.55 is probably going to attach to those pods if you do not put it up at a certain ring up, okay? So, if you are in this situation and you are having these two coupons, make sure you put your smaller item up first so the smaller coupon will attach first, okay? So, let's work on the premise that that's what we're doing here, because now we have this. Now, you can do this one of two ways. This is a $19 product, and you're going to get $4 off. You need to spend $11 more. I guess we're going to go for the liquid detergent and see what we got here. There we go. Check it out. Oh my gosh. There's two $4 coupons, guys. Yeah. There's two $4 coupons. This one is attaching to the $15.95 product Island Fresh, $4, and it's got the Tide, Gain, and the Gain fireworks on the coupon, okay? And the $1.55 is still attaching to that. We're going to have to get a 14 count fling to get rid of that. Just saying. I think that would be the easier and best bet. A little bit more bang for your buck, let's just say. And if we're doing this, I would actually do it on Saturday. A lot of people's going to call run deals on this, but I think there's enough product, unless you're in a high couponing area, to keep you until Saturday. But if we were to do the $19.95 and the $15.95, we're already way up there, guys. And then we're going to add, let's get some written down math on that here. Okay, if you were to pick up the $19.95 flings, the $15.95 liquid detergent, you'd be at $35.90. You'd be getting $18 off. That's $17.90 out of pocket any day of the week. Pretty much like buying one and getting one for free, or close to it. Now, if you was to do this on Saturday, this is where on Saturday, if you were to do the same transaction and add the $4.50 flings, so if you've got this $1.55 coupon attached, like I do, in order for me to do this deal, I'm going to have to get rid of this coupon. So you can do it during the week if you want to, or you can do it in your transaction. I would suggest doing it in your 5 off 25 transaction, because you're going to be at 40-40, okay? And just like with any gain deal, your 5 off of 25 should work. Hand over your paper 5 off 25. And then your 10 should come off and your other coupons should come off. So your total coming off would be $24.55. That leaves you a $15.85 out of pocket for the same items plus a flings, just by waiting until Saturday. Okay? Now, next question, and I'm not sure. If you already have your 5 off of 30 clipped, is it going to come off before the spend 10, save 10 comes off? I don't know. And almost all of us have this already clipped. So I am not sure about that one, guys. So hopefully I'll have an answer for that before Saturday. To see which one of these will come off first. Since I have this one already like this, I may go try to use this account to do that transaction to see what happens. To see if the 5 comes off or if the 30 will come off first. Usually, the lower coupon will attach to the transaction. You know, and if that's the case, then, oh, there it is. We'll have to do 2 transactions to make it work. but we'll save more money. And we'll get gain wasted or we'll get tide wasted. Tide wasted, you're not going to save the extra $5, but you'll have a lot of tide at a really good price. So there you go, guys. You know now that you do not have to purchase these 4 forms of product. You just have to spend $30. You know you can use store coupons with this. So go out there and give it a try if you want to do it during the week. Now, my other thing is, if anybody goes and does this, and they have the same lineup where they're save 5 and they're spend 30, save 10. If you have this lineup and you go to the store, let me know. So that's phase 1 of this Dollar General glitch, and you'll know there'll be more and different types of scenarios because, well, there's so many ways that you can do this depending on your needs. Blessings, and we'll talk again real soon.